Lost a little power there, folks, but she just ran that course anyway. And that was great, folks. You did it right. You clapped, you had fun, you laughed. And I like seeing Willow on that teeter-totter. Barely enough weight to get that teeter-totter to go down. This Willow also competing in our head-to-head weed fold challenge later. And you'll see Willow going up against dogs maybe 20 times the size and weight of Willow. And going head-to-head, matching it up. All right. A couple of mistakes in there. We'll get you times as I find out. And let you know those fastest times, what to look for. Joanne Eichhorn from Mills, Wyoming. You have a time on that first run for Willow, 55 seconds, 5.79. That's the time to beat. Joanne Eichhorn and DJ, Shetland Sheepdog. Just a baby. He's 17 months old. You've seen this dog a little bit earlier when it was just a puppy, but not even 2 yet. And this dog, also a Pro-Plan dog. Fueled on Pro-Plan. This is kind of fun. This is a really pretty dog. And then another cool thing about our event, you get to see so many different breeds of dogs competing, and they're all athletics. I like to call this the Olympics for dogs. They're strong, they're fast, they're true athletes. You'll witness that here today. On course. DJ. Close. A couple of mistakes there at the end. That's kind of par for the course. I mentioned these dogs, you know, they're getting a first look at this course here today. Trying to make sure those handlers guide them through properly. A lot of times you see their fastest runs on their second run. Each of these dogs will get 2 runs in this course. .81 is the time. So Little Willow still in that top spot. Keith Hiley from Salt Lake City, Utah. Cisco coming out. Cattle dog corgi mix. You can definitely see the corgi in this dog. 4-year-old male, super fast. With the short little legs, but real fast. Cisco also a rescue dog. Yeah, let's make some noise when we talk about the rescue dogs. Do we have any dog owners out there in the stands? Any dog owners? Yes, nice. We love dogs. Make sure you pick up some of the free dog food we're giving away to you. On course.
Here, watch it.
And over the final triple jump. So you can see right there, I mean, this is challenging. This is not an easy course. I've seen all the courses. This one's especially hard. Keith knows, right off the bat. Wheels fell off right on the first jump. He's like, all right, we're just going to practice now. That happens. Hey, you get 2 runs, bud. The best part about it is Cisco doesn't care if it's a perfect run or that run right there. It's just having fun, running around. That's what it's about out here. Okay. Gail Anderson and Charger. Shetland Sheepdog, 5-year-old male. Guys from San Marcos, California. They got second place last year in our Western event. On course. And there's a clean run, folks, a clean one. Our first clean run. 37.76. That is the new mark to beat. Mike's kind of cutting in and out there with us. We'll keep it going, but Charger, top dog right now. One final dog in our small dogs before we move to the large dogs. You can also see we're raising the bar up too. As the dogs get bigger, we raise the bar higher. So it equals it all out, makes it all nice and fair. Gosha Scarone coming out from Salt Lake City, Utah, and Riot. There's last year's champions. Long course. Wow. Very, very fast dog. Very fast. Knocking down a few of those bars. So just kind of clipping in with that back foot. .93, that includes the fault. 41.93, so you can see if that dog can get a clean one, almost unbeatable. That dog is so lightning fast, and it's also, if you notice, very hard for the handler, for Gosha, to follow and keep up with the dog that fast. All right, that's our small dogs. We're moving into our large dogs.